Well, hello everyone, Scotty back with a video. It's been a little while since I've done a garden video, so I wanted to do an update. Let's check it out. Alright, so I'm happy to say that I've got a new greenhouse. I've yet to put it together, but I'm going to show it. I've got it. It arrived actually a couple weeks ago. This is what it's going to look like. That's a rough picture of it. And then there's another box over here. So 2 boxes to get this thing put together. And I've been leveling out the ground where it's going to go. I've pretty much got that where I want it. The next step is to get cinder blocks. And I'm going to perimeter this to have that for the base of the greenhouse. And I'm going to also be doing a lot of cinder block garden beds like I've mentioned. So right now I'm kind of just waiting to get a few pallets of those delivered. And then that'll be the next project, along with moving my wood chips and getting this all ready for garden beds. Things are growing really well right now. It's the beginning, first week of October still. It's starting to cool off, so pretty soon we'll have our first freeze. But these passion flowers particularly that I planted not too long ago have been doing really well. So I'm happy to see that. They've been flowering pretty regularly. And I planted this one here recently, and I've also built the archway to have an entrance back and forth with our neighbor's yard. And not much else has changed in here. I planted my blueberries over here. They're kind of getting used to their new spot. Not much growing there yet. The raspberries have been doing really well. So for next year, these are looking really good. I'm going to also be doing cinder block bed around all the raspberries. So there'll be a row of cinder blocks on each side and about 1 cinder block width, so that I can pack it full of compost and run a drip line through that. So that's one of the future things going on. Really nice out. It's mid-70s. Things are looking good. The next step is to get the cinder blocks to do the base for the greenhouse, and then I've got the boxes out here ready to go. I'm going to tackle that as soon as it's ready. I just wanted to do an update on the garden. And the tiny home's doing really well. We're in the process of going to run a sewer line from up here all the way to the septic tank in the home. We found out that we're able to do that, so we're going to trench a big long trench all the way from the tiny home to the house. So things going on, just kind of enjoying the nice cool weather. Going to be doing a lot of stacking of cinder blocks here soon, and then building this greenhouse. I'm going to do a kind of a step-by-step video on the greenhouse. I'm really excited to do it. It's going to be really nice. Thanks for watching. I'll do another update when I've got more going on.